spicy mussels with chorizo. Ingredients: 100 grams/3½ ounces chorizo, roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 large shallot, finely chopped. 3 garlic cloves, thinly sliced. Half a teaspoon dried chili flakes. 200 milliliters, 7 fluid ounces cooking wine or cider. 1.5 kilograms, 3 pounds 5 ounces mussels, scrubbed and debearded. 100 milliliters/3½ fluid ounces double cream. Handful flatleaf parsley, roughly chopped. Sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. 4 sourdough bread slices, to serve. Directions: place a large saucepan over a medium heat and fry the chorizo until golden. Add the butter, shallot, garlic and chili and fry for 2 to 3 minutes, until the shallot is tender. Pour in the cider and bring to the boil. Discard any mussels with broken shells and any that refuse to close when tapped. Add the mussels to the cider, cover with the lid and allow to steam for 4 minutes, or until open, shaking once or twice during cooking. Remove from the heat and discard any mussels that remain closed. Stir in the cream and parsley, then season with salt and pepper. Serve with sourdough to mop up the sauce.